So today we're joined by a very special guest, Moon. Oh no, I'm going to cover him up, aren't I? You don't want that. Sorry. You got to look at me instead. Hey guys, so today I am going to be filming a subscribers choose my outfits video. I haven't filmed one of these since the beginning of the year. We're going to be doing one today, and this time it's a Christmas edition. Same as always, I asked you guys to leave me a load of links to some clothes from ASOS. Alex then scrolled through the links and just completely at random, he clicked on some of them, made the order. Obviously I paid for it, but he did the order so that I don't know what's coming. This is a complete surprise. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and also this time I have to make an outfit out of it. Out of all of these clothes, I've got to make at least one outfit, and I have to wear it on Christmas Day this year. So I hope you've picked something good. There is so much stuff. To be honest, he did say this order came to like 300 and something pounds. I was like, okay. So the first thing I've pulled out is a cord skirt, and as we know, I don't normally wear skirts, but it's all right. I mean, it looks like quite a nice one. It is in petite, so whoever chose this, which I'm going to find out now, they know that I need a petite. There's a big list here. There is a lot of stuff. Okay, cord skirt was chosen by Alexis Shea. So thanks very much. I've got hair on my lipstick. Ugh. So it's just a little red cord skirt. It is actually quite nice. I don't like wearing skirts, but I feel like with some tights, I might like this. And the colour is really good for Christmas. That's a really perfect Christmassy colour. I'm excited to try it on. Definitely not something I'd wear, but why am I holding up there? Geez, it's not a dress. Do you know what? As far as skirts go, I don't actually hate this one. I mean, I would never choose to wear this just because I don't wear skirts, but this one doesn't look too bad. It is quite a nice one. It fits really nicely. I don't know, this one's a maybe. I might keep it. Okay, so we've got a Christmas t-shirt with glitter print. Okay, I think there's only one Christmas t-shirt, so I believe this was chosen by Alice May. So it just says, "Give me presents." I sound like such a savage. It is a nice t-shirt though. I like that it's got the red and green edges. It just makes it really Christmassy. I mean, obviously it's a Christmas t-shirt. You can't get much more Christmassy, but I don't know. It's a cute little t-shirt, just a little bit savage. Imagine walking down on Christmas morning like, all right, give me presents, but no, it's cute. So this is what the little t-shirt looks like. I actually really like it. It's a really nice fit. It's not too tight. Like, I can't stand a tight fitted t-shirt. If it's a t-shirt, it's got to be a little bit baggy and oversized, which this one definitely is. Yeah, I actually think it looks really nice. So I think I will keep it, even though it is a little bit cheeky. Item number 2 is Petite Jumpsuit. Oh, I don't think I've ever tried a jumpsuit in my life. But again, whoever you are, petite, we're done. You know me well. Okay, so the jumpsuit was chosen by Panda Squad. I'm guessing that's their YouTube name. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think that's a jumpsuit. Yeah, it definitely says on it, ASOS design jumpsuit with kimono sleeve. Number 1, this is not a jumpsuit, it's a bodysuit. Number 2, it hasn't got kimono sleeves. They've put the wrong thing in there. That's such a shame. I'm gonna obviously return that. That's so annoying. I really wanted to try a jumpsuit. That really excited me, and now I don't even have it. Damn you, ASOS. Okay, so we've got a, ooh. This looks really Christmassy. I'm gonna look like a candy cane. So we've got this little jumper here. Let's have a look. There's quite a few red things, but I'm guessing this is the sorry, I just combined red and white. The right jumper. The red and white jumper. So I'm guessing that's what this is. And it was chosen by, I think it's Fahima Ahmed. Oh, I really hope I've said that right, because I recognize that name. That's someone who often comments on my videos. She's so lovely. I'm so sorry if I said your name wrong. This looks cute. So it's like a quite fitted top. It's kind of similar to this one. It's like fitted, but it's got that ribbed material. And it feels really soft, but also really chunky and like cozy. It's also got this white and red kind of neckline. Oh, it's a bit high necked. It is really similar to this, and I love tops like this. Thanks, love. This is a very bright red. It's almost like an orangey red because it is so bright. So the only thing is I would rather it was a little bit toned down, but I love the style of it. I love that it's nice and fitted. It's a little bit cropped. So I do really like it. I think I will keep it. It is just, it's just a little bit bright, isn't it? Okay, these are like pajama bottoms. Petite tartan check trousers. Okay, they're not pajama bottoms. They're legit trousers. Okay, so the check trousers were chosen by Millie Alvaranja. I can't say names, but they were chosen by Millie, and do you know what? I feel like these actually could be quite cute. They're kind of like those Christmassy colours, so yeah, I don't know. If I could style these to make them not look like pajama bottoms, I feel like they could be really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to try those on. So these are the trousers. I actually really like them. They fit so well, like around the waist and lengthwise, and they've just got like a nice high waist. So I feel like they fit really nicely, but I don't know, like, I do feel like they do look a bit like pajamas, and if I tried to wear these on Christmas Day, I feel like my mum would be like, Sophie, go and get dressed, and I'll be like, Mum, I am dressed. But I think I might actually keep them. These are cute. These have got to be pajamas because, I mean, I think they're definitely pajamas. This is the Christmas legging pajama set. So Christmas pajamas were chosen by Lou Tube. So thanks. I love Christmas PJs and these look adorable. So you get a little, what the hell? Oh, they're the bottoms. I thought that was the top. I was like, so you get some little pajama bottoms, a matching t-shirt as well. They have so many cute little Christmassy things on it. You've got little reindeers, Santas, snowmen, Christmas puds, trees. Oh, why do they smell like Christmas? They smell like tinsel. I don't know why I was sniffing tinsel, to be fair, but I have done that. Okay, I'm sorry you can't really see the whole thing, but it just look like this, and I love them. These pajamas are so cute. They fit me really nicely, and I really, really like these. I don't really have anything else to say about them. They're just really cute. I mean, look at this little pattern, if it focuses. I just think it's so adorable. This feels squidgy. So this, oh. Well, the first thing I'm seeing is it says tulle. So this is from the tulle section. It's a fluffy jumper in rib with roll. I'm guessing Alex is calling this the white jumper. I think so. So it was chosen by Ella, just says Ella. A lot of people who watch my videos think that I'm really tall. Like, I often get comments saying, oh, you look like you're about like 5'10" or something. I'm like, nah. I'm like 5'3", and that's at a push. So I'm not very tall at all. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, it doesn't even look that long, so I think we'll be all right. It's in this really soft, cozy, fluffy material. It's in this nice like creamy colour. I feel like this just looks Christmassy because I look like snow. Like, do you know what I mean? A creamy white jumper just looks festive because you look like snow. What am I saying? It's got a nice high neck, love a high neck. Oh, this is a nice like rolled one as well. I really like the look of this. I think I will love this. I think this is such a nice jumper. It's so cozy, it's so soft, like such a nice material. I love the little high neck, and I don't think it matters that it was in the tulle section. It doesn't look long at all. The sleeves are a little bit long, but I can easily just turn them up or scrunch them up. It's not gonna be a problem. So yeah, I think I'll definitely keep this one. Well, someone's taking the piss. I mean, I don't want to say that though, because I feel bad if someone was actually being serious, but I think this is a joke item, like, I just, okay. So the gold leggings were chosen by Rhea Moore, and wow. It's definitely very Christmassy, like a good gold Christmas item. The material is like, I don't even know what it's called, but what do you think, Moon? Oh. He's got What do you think of the gold leggings? You're looking at them, aren't you? You're like, what are they, love? I'm a little unsure of these. I feel like C3PO. So these are the trousers. I tell you, they are toasty. My legs are instantly so much warmer than they were before. I don't know what it is about this material, but it's keeping in the heat. So, I mean, they're cozy, but apart from that, I think I'm definitely gonna take these back. I don't think I would ever get anywhere out of them. They were very entertaining, so thanks whoever picked these. I can't remember your name, but thanks for the entertainment. Yes and no. I saw dungarees and I was like, yes, love dungarees. But then I saw dress and I was like, don't really wear dresses. But so far I'm liking it. So this is a cord dungaree dress in the colour Ox Blood. So the dungarees were chosen by Emily oh, I'm sorry. So it's just a little cord, what is it? Why can't I think? Dungaree dress. Wow, that took a while. I actually really like this. It's cute, and again, I guess if I wore it with some like thick tights or something, I might kind of like it. I don't know, I'm just not a dress kind of person. Skirts and dresses, just give me trousers all day long. It is a nice little dungaree dress, like it fits so well. It's the perfect length, and yeah, it fits me really nicely. I love the colour, so I do like it. I just don't know if I'd wear it. I'm kind of tempted to keep it. Maybe I should start wearing stuff like this and I'll be cute, but I don't know. This one's a maybe. I see pom-poms, many pom-poms. So the pom-pom jumper was chosen by Amy X.X. This looks so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's like a bright red jumper, very nice and Christmassy, and then it's got these slightly darker red mixed in with a bit of black. Oh, and a bit of gold. Oh, little bits of like metallic gold in there. Pom-poms. So this is so cute. It looks so cozy. Oh my goodness, those pom-poms have molted all over me. I love this jumper. I think it's so cute. There's not really much to say about it. It's a red jumper with a load of balls on it, but I like it. I just love pom-poms. I think they're cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. So this is a denim cami dress with button front in khaki. That's not khaki, that's just green. So the green dress was chosen by Isla8. Oh, okay. Oh good Lord, it's huge. Bloody hell. And that's a size 4? I'm not so sure. That definitely rhymed, didn't it? So it's just kind of like a straight down dress in this quite thick material. I don't really know what that material is. It's kind of like cord. Little straps at the top. It's got like a straight neckline. Oh, do you know what? It might look cute with a top underneath. I'm happy to give it a go. Like, it is quite a nice dress and I love the colour. I feel like I actually look a bit like a Christmas tree. If I had a star hat on, I would actually be a Christmas tree. It is a cute little dress. I just don't think it suits me. It's not the sort of thing I'd normally wear. And it is a tiny bit long as well, this one. It's just a little bit long for me. You know what? It's cute. It's Christmassy. I feel like a tree, but I am probably going to return it just because I don't think I'd get much wear out of it. Okay, so we've got a fine knit top with cross back detail, and it's in this really nice like berry colour. He's put red top, so I'm guessing that's what this is. If so, it was chosen by Annabelle XO. Oh, this looks complex. This is too much for me and for Moon. Oh god, if he sees these, he's going to be tugging on them. Tugging on my dangles. Oh my goodness. Oh no, they're just sleeves. Oh, I was being over dramatic. It's fine. This looks quite cute actually. I think this is the top, so it's like an off the shouldery thing. I'm not sure. And then you've got sleeves, and then you've got a little like crossy bit for around your waist. I think this could be really nice if I can figure out how to put it on. Okay, so this neckline is definitely not the sort of thing I'd normally go for. It's quite low and then like kind of like, oh, but you know what I mean? It's very like hanging off your shoulders, but I kind of like it. I think it looks cool. I just don't know if it's comfortable enough. I feel like I'd constantly be worried about it like falling down. But yeah, so this one's a maybe. A Christmas jumper. I was just thinking, we've got a Christmas t-shirt, but where are the Christmas jumpers? So this is a petite placed holly Christmas jumper. Oh, is it a nip nip one? I have a couple of t-shirts where they put the Christmassy thing on your nipples, and they're so funny. I love them. And I think this is a nipple one because they look like they are very strategically placed. So the Christmas jumper was chosen by Hannah Dawson. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, it's like, it's not even like a jumper. It's like a Christmas top because it's really thin. It's like a super thin material. Yay! Holly's on my nips. That's what you want. This is cute. I love things like this. It's in a really nice blue color. It's also cropped as well, which is different. It's a Christmas jumper, but it's not a jumper. It's like a cropped wow. It's like a cropped top thing. So this is the jumper. It is bloody small, but yeah, do you know what? I really like it. I like the design. I like the little holly nips, and yeah, I think it's a cute little Christmas jumper. Very subtle. It's not like anything too much. It's a subtle Christmas jumper. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I really like it. Oh my goodness. I caught a glimpse of this. I didn't see that either. I've just seen something else that makes it even better. Okay, wait. So the pajama dress, as Alex calls it, was chosen by Faye's World, and oh My goodness, guys, let me just get it out. So when I first saw it in the bag, I got really excited because I saw that it has cats all over it. And obviously, I've lost my cat though. I say I love cats, I don't know where he's gone. I've also noticed it's got a load of moons. He is called Moon. This is so perfect. So it's cats and moons. Moon, cat, oh my goodness. It's basically like a t-shirt dress, but you can wear it to bed, or if you're really brave, you could wear it out. This is so cool. It looks bloody huge, but I don't care. I love it. Oh, he's eating my holly nips. Nuh-uh, nuh-uh. Moony. I've got into a really bad habit of calling him Moony, but isn't that when you flash your ass? I shouldn't call him that, should I? Okay, so this is absolutely huge. It's so big for me. It goes all the way down past my knees, but I don't care. I'm keeping it just because it's got cats and moons on it, and that is a reason to keep something. It'll be alright though, won't it, for wearing to bed? Just look at it. Look at that pattern. I personally want to pick this for my Christmas Day outfit just because these are the only trousers that I've got in the whole thing. Well, apart from the gold ones, but not sure about those. And I feel the most comfortable in trousers, and I want to be comfy on Christmas Day. I want to wear these trousers. This jumper will keep me nice and warm, but it also looks nice and cute. Yeah, I feel like this makes a good outfit. I think they go quite nicely together as well. Let's see what the dungaree dress looks like, just in case I have to do a little changeover. But I think this might be my outfit for Christmas Day. So this is what it looks like with the dungaree dress instead of the trousers, and I actually quite like it. I think these go really nice together and it makes quite a cute outfit. I may not be as comfy, but it does look cute, so this is another option. I think you guys should vote down below if I should wear number 1, which is the trousers and the jumper, or number 2, which is this, the dress and the jumper. You guys go and vote down below which one you want me to wear on Christmas Day, or maybe I'll just wear both. Maybe I'll just wear all these clothes and keep getting changed throughout the day. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm now going to go and try all of the items on, but you will have already seen them because I'm going to insert them throughout the video. But yeah, thank you to everyone who sent in a clothing item. I'm sorry if yours wasn't in the video. Like I said, Alex just picked completely at random, so it was just kind of down to luck. But yeah, if you want me to do more of these in the future, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Oh, and he's off. Goodbye.